Why everyone, including Morgan Stanley, is wrong about Nvidia stock. So apparently, most of Wall Street is highly bullish on Nvidia. That's not surprising. Apparently, out of 41 polled analysts, 39 maintain buy ratings, and none of them rate it as a sell. And Morgan Stanley has also put a price target of $1,000 for Nvidia, which is a 14% upside from today. But let me show you why. Sure, this might be a good short-term play, but this is far from the best advice for long-term traders for two key reasons. Number one, the valuation is just way too high, okay? Right now, it's the third largest company in the world with a total market cap of $2.19 trillion. Yes, I said trillion with a T, beat by only Microsoft and Apple. A 14% increase, like Morgan Stanley's predicting, would push this market cap to $2.5 trillion. Now, this is definitely possible, and I dare say likely, but the issue here is that the valuation is historically incredibly high for Nvidia. I mean, their PE is 72, for God's sake, and if you look at the chart, their ratio is typically hovered around the 10 to 30 mark, so very high there. But again, it also does deserve this after posting absolutely mind-boggling growth numbers over the past few years. But I mean, will it get any higher? Short term, sure. Long term, no way. And that brings us to problem number 2, which is growth built in. The insane growth that they've seen and are about to see likely is already factored in. There are 5 quarters of 23% quarter-over-quarter growth built into the current price right now, meaning that we wouldn't see a PE of 20 at this price until 5 quarters of compounded growth at 23% quarter-over-quarter, which is just insane, especially with the market cap as high as it is. And like I say so many times, you got to beat the hype, okay? You want to be the person buying the stock here and not here. And so, like I said, will this stock do good in the short term? Yes, it probably will. Let's be honest. But medium to long term, there's just no way to make any sort of reasonable gain when you buy at a valuation this high. And anyways, that's why I think Wall Street is really wrong about Nvidia, because they're all so over the top bullish, and it's just super clear to me that we're near or at the top of the bull run. And I think it's time to pause and reflect on how far it's come. And I think smart investors honestly are starting to realize that we're at the top now, and it's time to start realizing those gains. So that said, please drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you next video.